This time it isn't going to be Lara doing the impossible thing. Well, she'll probably do some impossible stuff. It's pretty hard for her to get through a chapter without doing impossible stuff. But our showcase set-piece impossible thing will be achieved by a boat today. I think, unless I'm forgetting the order of this. I think this is where the boat turns up in an absolutely ridiculous place. There it is.
A Byzantine war galley. How the hell did it get down here?
Well, let's try not to think about that too much, I guess. It does make for a very cool visual. It would make sense in the world of Clair Obscur 33.
It's Mongolian. They passed through here. I must be close to the lost city.
I feel like that might mean I passed something I should have picked up. Or she's talking about the boat. She might be talking about the boat. Okay, I think I'm supposed to go that way. And this is going to loop up with the exit. And I think you can technically skip the boat entirely. Okay, yes, you can't get up here. This is where you reconnect. Got it.
A Byzantine brooch. The enamel work is beautiful. This portrait has been defaced.
Ooh. Found a pin. Can now speak more eloquent Greek.
Must be something up there.
I mean, it does make for some pretty spectacular visual design.
The Maria Adula is trapped. The ice gave way.
How many? Oh, whoops. Oh, still need another one. Okay. Okay, so that I need to smash. Which I'm going to do probably using this. Okay, so that is not reachable yet. And this will probably solve the problem. Aha! Okay. I see. I have done this before several times as well. It doesn't mean I have them all memorized, but they do come to me a lot quicker than they did in the first couple of playthroughs.
Yes, that did it.
Alright. Mind the shield. Well, I'm obviously going to have to interact with that. Which will probably move you to a place where I can jump on you. I'm not getting anywhere that way. Oh, no, and I shouldn't be tapping the button. I should be using the thumbstick. Oh, this might require a bit of timing, I think. Oh, thankfully it pauses conveniently for a moment. Who built this, and
Now to find out
why?
what's up there.
Why would you build your boat to do this? What was the purpose? You'd never be oriented this way. Okay, I still need to smash some... Oh wait, is that true? Okay, oh, I might... Yeah, I guess I still need to do this. Oh, wait, no I don't. Okay, I know what it is. I can grab it with the pick now, that's what it is. Alright, pick time. The timing on that is not particularly difficult. It's very, very generous. Oh, that one's a little bit less forgiving. And I always forget about them because they don't happen every time. Whoops. Oh no. What just happened? Can I still get up? Yes. I just have to do it again. I don't know if that's actually faster. The animation pause probably stops it from being faster.
Look at all this.
Money.
Why were they carrying so much wealth with them?
It's done. We'll die here, thanks to Coraldus and the Mat.
I'm half expecting to find a lost ashes or something. Oh, I have to keep track of...
This
There's
codex
one
details
of these
the
I have
archery
to avoid
techniques of
getting.
the foes of the Byzantine Empire.
There might even be two. There are two specific... There's at least one specific ability I don't want to pick up. The catch with those abilities is once you have them, there is no way to delete them from your character. So if it turns out it's something that you don't happen to like for some reason or another, you're sort of stuck with it. But it won't be for a while. It's in one of the later stages of the game. It adds an upgrade that I don't happen to like to something. I forget what it is. I should probably pause a moment and just double check there isn't anything marked on the map. I missed 2 documents and a relic in the glacial cavern, which means I did not do very well. Oh well, I'll live with it. I can always come back for it later with a guide or something. Oh, what was the button again? Left trigger.
He's passed through the lands of the Rus.
Oh, wait. This is still considered the Glacial Cavern. I might yet pull it off. I have my doubts, because I'm pretty sure this is the actual end of it. Yeah, there we go.
I'm not your enemy.
That remains to be seen. You killed those men back there.
I killed them to survive. I suspect you did too.
That's the
How
name
long
of
have
the
they been here?
timeline.
Days, at most. The invaders took many of my people prisoner. You should leave this place before it's too late.
I can't do that. I came here for something important.
So did they. If I see you again, I'll put an arrow in your throat.
She seems
You
nice.
and I are on the same side. I hope I can prove that to you.
She seems gullible.
What's going on down there? Who? So, there are people who live out here, and they appear to have been here for a very long time, living in isolation for decades, maybe even centuries. I notice elements of her dress, small adornments that would not have been out of place in the Byzantine Empire. Could they possibly be descendants of the Prophet's people? How much do they know about the lost city or the divine source? It's clear Trinity will do anything to find out. I'm afraid that whoever they are, they're in grave danger. Let's hope the old proverb about the enemy of my enemy remains true.
It makes sense that I still can't access any of the other guns that I have currently unlocked. Which doesn't mean it isn't a little annoying. No, that's not a door. It isn't even a jar. Oh, you can get back up. Or... no, maybe not. Thought I saw the prompts to climb back up onto the rope.
Nothing I can do for him now.
I thought I clicked that I didn't need
First
the
day
tutorials.
in Siberia, and it happens. 2 years in Afghanistan and another in Indonesia, nothing. Way down from the prison. We need to get this mess in order before he arrives. Hey, can anyone hear me? God damn it, we gotta get comms back up.
I still don't know why sometimes I have to tap the button and other times I don't.
Never seen anything like that. Crazy son of a bitch. Rushing 3 armed men with an axe?
I don't know how they managed to take one of them alive.
Who the hell are
Whoops.
these people?
Initial recon said there was
This is a pretty
village of
forgiving
rounds,
stealth system
but
that
they
I got away
expected
with that.
farmers. Thought they'd surrender without firing a shot.
Farmers.
Huh. I'll check it out.
I copy.
I think I heard something. I'll take a look. Where the hell did this come from?
I do appreciate that the game decides to have choking someone out take a convenient amount of time as opposed to how long it actually takes. I mean, not that it can't be done in a few seconds, but usually that requires some kind of specialist training.
There's more of them arriving.
Until we get someone out here to shut that pump off, I want those crates as far away from the fire as possible. Double time. There's ammo in there, and we can't afford to lose it.
Haven't heard any shots for a few minutes now. I think we're in the clear.
Don't count on it. Stay alert until we get
Yeah,
the
you don't need to tell me about survival instincts. It isn't even turned on.
That was Constantine's chopper. What the hell is he doing down here?
Not for me to say. We took one of the natives alive to question him, but it cost us 3 men. I'm guessing the man wants to know what they find out.
Constantine expects more from us. Someone's gonna pay
Is
for their
there?
mistake.
Is there a way to drop the bottle
Keep them separate from rations.
without throwing it? Because I would rather not throw it. Okay, let's try this. What if I throw it way over there?
I think this one we should set traps.
Okay, I seem to have gotten away with that.
I can rig up a few surprises.
Oh, well. Okay. No guns, nothing. I'm sure I will make it. Yeah, this is going fine.
Until we get someone out here to shut that
Oh, that was my first.
want
I
those
got
crates
this far
as
before I
far
died.
away from the fire as possible.
Oh no,
Double
I think I
time.
probably died
There's
during one of
ammo
the
in
action
there, and we
sequences
can't
back at the
afford
beginning.
to lose it.
We secure? Haven't heard any shots for a few minutes now. I think we're in the clear.
Don't count on it. Stay alert until we get the comms reestablished with the prison. We're on our own out here.
That was Constantine's chopper. What the hell is he doing down here?
Not for me to say. They took one of the natives alive to question him, but it cost us 3 men.
Constantine expects more from us. Someone's gonna pay for that mistake.
Prioritize the live rounds, and keep them separate from the rations. Got a feeling we'll want those in easy reach.
Yes, sir. Shit. Most of these rations were burned in the blast. I think this one's a loss.
Yeah, I think I've managed to do it. At this point, I believe the last 2 guys are pretty stationary. Hey, looked like you guys had guns when you shot at me earlier. Where did those go? Is there some reason I can't pick those up? We already know from the first game, she canonically knows how to use an assault rifle quite instinctively. I don't think there's anything out here, although I will have to grab one of these, I'm almost positive, for a puzzle later. That actually, I think I'm remembering wrong. That's later in the game. Yeah, it's a room like this, but it isn't this room. And you have to throw one of these to burn down part of the wall. But it's not here.
You see anything out
How do I... Ah, okay, hold the circle. And you can drop whatever you're holding. There we go. That's helpful. But sometimes you don't want to have the bottle equipped. It makes noise if you stealth kill somebody with a bottle, because you hit them with it.
questionable legality, and I know you're not happy about it.
The Trinity expects us to walk it all the same.
I feel like I should have a pistol by now. Just pick up the arrows. Jumping up and down on the furniture when she's supposed to be collecting stuff. Oop. Why do I always forget about that? Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay. Let's just pretend I meant to do that. Uh-oh. Okay, no, I'm good. I'm good. Okay, what am I doing? Oh, I'm supposed to be going left. Oh, they really don't want me going sideways on that bottom one. Okay, that went better than last time. It's not this one, but later there's a zip line where you have to stop and shoot something before you go down. But yeah, this isn't the one. I'm confusing this level with a later level, which is kind of quite similar, actually. Wait, nope, this is the one I was thinking of after all. And this is what I needed to throw to burn down part of the wall. There we go.
That's it, we're out of time. Shoot him! He'll talk or he'll bleed out.
He just needs to walk it off. He'll be fine. Okay, now that I have this, I think I can switch it out for the one I usually use. I might be wrong, but I think I have the DLC that lets me do that as soon as I get to a campfire. How many bullets do I have?
You have one fucking chance right now. Tell us everything.
Do I have anything I can throw through there? Oh, hey, oil. Yay? Nay. Nay. Oh, you need the oil pack before they'll let you collect that.
The Red Army is coming.
We're salting to that wound. Where is your next target? See, listening to us? We don't have to.
Oh, I actually had full bullets, I think.
Adios, Dios. Adios, Prophet. They have him imprisoned.
Oh, jeez, they're the same height and he's sitting down.
Oh no. No, no, no.
Well, now he's finally shorter than her. He just had to sort of let his head go limp. We have to get in touch with Jill Valentine. She can get us a lockpick. Okay, maybe it isn't a bad idea to have those little tutorials on. Helps remind me of how to play the game, because it has been a few years. Wait. No, there's nothing there. Okay.
How's it looking? I'm not sure I can stop the leak. If this works, let's rip the pipe and get it in back. Not sure we'll be able to find spare parts out here.
I left you in charge here.
Yes, sir. But we didn't expect such heavy resistance.
You were to be my eyes. I expected you to see. You must know what is at stake with this operation.
Yes, but no. No.
You don't.
No.
How could someone like you?
All the main character energy characters in this game, the sort of major characters, have really great fashion sense. Like, he's dressed way better than everybody else in the room.
Our goal is within reach, but we must be vigilant. If we succeed here, a new world awaits. One of our own making.
Constantine, you're needed back at the prison right away. We've got a captive who might know something about the artifact.
Remain faithful. We will share in the glory of the divine source.
They're a religious organization, but a mercenary organization. It's a bit nebulous, probably, so that they can be whatever villain they need them to be in the next game.
Nobody touch him.
Looks like we got another fuel leak.
What the hell happened?
Still having trouble.
This thing is 50 years old.
All right, let's get it shut. We can't afford to lose any more after that attack.
Okay, I got this. Hold that part steady.
Am I allowed to make Molotovs now?
Damn it. Coupling is stripped. You want to give me a hand?
Yeah, sure.
What's that?
Oops. Well, that obviously did not craft anything. Shit. Okay. Maybe it has to do with how much they detect her first. I will try and keep an eye on that. Alright, well, you know, I have a pistol now.
Fire in the hole!
Let's see how I do.
Reloading!
Oh no, that did not work at all. I was supposed to stun him so I could... That was going to look really cool if it worked. Which it did not.
Do with it. Still having trouble.
Nobody touch him.
Alright, try not to get seen this time.
We got another fuel leak.
What the hell happened?
Start by not throwing random bottles at things. Okay, I definitely cannot craft Molotovs yet. But I know I have tossed something that sets those guys on fire, so either there is a Molotov or there's something else.
Hold that part steady. Just need some more leverage. Damn it.
Oh, maybe not.
Coupling stripped. You want to give me a hand?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, what's going on? Oh. Opportunity. There it is! That's what I used. Oh no! I missed! Ah. Oh, whoa. Shit. I probably shouldn't have run towards that explosion. Oh, did the guy up here die or jump down? Oh, he jumped down.
God damn it, figure out!
Oh! Right. I can heal. I kind of forgot about that. And also, I can't heal in combat because the difficulty level doesn't allow that, or I don't regenerate in combat, rather. So waiting around was not going to solve the problem. Where's the other guy? Oh, he's out there. Oh, he really booked it. It's not auto-targeting them to stun them the way I thought it would. Maybe I'm doing it slightly wrong, or I'm forgetting a step, or maybe I just always had to manually aim and I've forgotten how it works. I don't think there's going to be much to pick up in here as far as artifacts or documents go. Oh. Oh, there I go. Alright. I think I have a skill point to
Constantine is
spend.
here. The man who tried to kill me in Syria. He's violent, dangerous, but worse, he appears entirely devoted to his misguided beliefs. I seem to have a habit of running afoul of religious zealots. I suppose it all goes with the territory. His men on the radio mention a prisoner with information. Could it be one of the natives I've encountered? And if so, what does he know? Trinity will not be kind in their methods. Perhaps I can find him. Find out what he knows. Earning the trust of the locals might prove useful.
Oh, the pistol. Oh, and I was right. I can select any of the ones I have unlocked. I don't even know what that is. I don't remember that. Huh. Good stuff. Heavy pistol will be the choice for basically the whole thing. And it's not like the black one is not pretty cool looking, so perfectly happy to stick with that pistol for the rest of the game. Which does solve the problem of having to find 4 heavy pistol parts, which probably wouldn't happen for another 10 hours of game time, I think, more or less.
Someone's rosary. These beads have been worn away, almost.
I'm not so good at aiming with Lara. The game is usually pretty forgiving about it.
Getting in that way without being seen. Must be another way.
But not with ladders. Alright, don't do that yet. Because, wait, don't do that either. There we go. So how much did I miss on the way here? Oh wait, no, that's ahead of me. Oh, I missed, oh, 2 murals. Oh wow, I was not paying attention. Can I go back and get those, or is this still a semi-restricted area? Huh. Okay, I'm not going to worry too much about it, but that one's right next to me, so why don't I go back and get that one? Is that not how I get back over? Sure looks like how I get back over. Oh, I guess this works too. Barbed wire is just decorative in this world. Okay, should be along this wall, I think. There it is.
More Soviet propaganda. Night won't prevent us from working.
At some point I'll go back, pardon me. At some point I'll go back and I'll go over all of the different areas of the map where I left things behind and collect some more experience for it, but I don't want to bother doing it on the initial run through, because it just takes too long. And I don't always remember where they are either. And with that, we've pretty much entered the open world part.
Don't shoot. I'm not your enemy.
Who are you people?
All that can come later. If you want answers, then listen close. We've managed to destroy the old radio tower, but there are repeaters that keep them connected. We need to shut them down. Help me, and I'll let the others know they can trust you. We need all the allies.
I love how short Lara is.
I'll keep an eye out for them.
Good. We don't have much time.
What? No. Stupid lockpick. At least there's no lockpick mechanic. You just use it and it automatically
the ranks
works.
of the enemy and learn that they come.
Wait, is that a document? Well, sort of. It's just a decorative one.
Roth is determined that I should learn how to shoot. However, he tried to teach me today. I was utterly hopeless.
Is her father legit just like following her around and haunting her?
I told him I was a man of words, not of weapons. He laughed and said that he hoped I could find the right words to slow down a charging bison. I told him that's what he was for. Bless him for trying, though. I don't think there'll be any more lessons, Summer.
Roth always said I must have gotten my sharp eyes and steady hands from Mum. That summer, he taught me to shoot instead. I took to it. Maybe too well.
Lord!